Good day to Dr. Ikmal and to my teammates. Today, our group will present our study entitled Lean Maintenance Strategy and its Financial Implication in Manufacturing. Our team members are Ho Chi Wei, Auni, Bernard, Siti, and myself, Sanjeevan. For this study, we selected Seremban Engineering Berhad or SEB to examine how lean maintenance can improve equipment reliability, operational efficiency, and financial performance. Our presentation covers the introduction, literature review, company overview, technical and financial analysis, discussion, and conclusion. Next, moving on to the executive summary. This study evaluates the potential implementation of lean maintenance at SEB by reviewing its financial performance, operations, and current maintenance practices. Lean maintenance aims to reduce maintenance waste, prevent and control operating costs. Therefore, this study identifies how lean maintenance improves SEB's competitiveness and long-term sustainability. I will now proceed with the introduction. The Malaysian engineering and fabrication industry supports sectors such as oil and gas, infrastructure, power generation, and manufacturing. However, companies face strong competition, increasing operating costs, and strict project deadlines. As SEB depends on machinery and fabrication equipment, equipment breakdowns may interrupt production, delay projects, and increase costs. Therefore, increased effective maintenance is important for both operational and financial performance. The main issue is that SEB's maintenance performance appear to focus mainly on preventive maintenance expenditure and cost control. However, maintenance should also be measured using indicators such as equipment availability, breakdown frequency, mean time between failures, mean time to repair, and overall equipment effectiveness. Therefore, this study examines the gap between SEB's current practices and lean maintenance principles. The objectives are to review SEB's company profile, analyze its operational and financial performance, evaluate its maintenance maturity, and identify suitable lean maintenance improvements. Talking about the scope, this study focuses on SEB's group performance from 2023 to 2025 using annual reports, public information, and academic literature. It does not include confidential maintenance data or employees' interviews. Therefore, further internal data would be required before implementing the recommendation. This concludes chapter 1. I will now pass the presentation to Ho Chi Wei, who will continue with chapter 2, the literature review. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjit. Now I will continue with chapter 2, literature review. Hi everyone, I'm Ho. So in this chapter 2, I will review the key literature that form the theoretical foundations of our proposal, Lean Maintenance Strategy for SEB, and explain why and importance of lean maintenance for SEB towards improvement for operation and financial. So lean philosophy actually is originated from Toyota production system that with the objective to maximize customer value by eliminating waste and promote continuous improvement Kaizen. The evolution of maintenance practice is starting from breakdown and come to preventive, predictive, subsequently reliability center maintenance RCM. The lean maintenance applies the principle that focus on waste elimination, equipment reliability, continuous improvement, and operational efficiency. This requires a cross-function commitment that not only on production and maintenance, involve HR and logistic management as well, ultimately to maintain continuous improvement. So total productive maintenance Why need TPM? Because this TPM, they're covering autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, focus improvement, and education and training. So for SEB, as SEB currently already been practicing ISO 9001 preventive maintenance, that already form a very good ground towards a phased TPM implementation, and subsequently lean maintenance, and finally Industry 4.0. So TPM is a practical implementation framework that supports lean maintenance through the employee involvement, structured maintenance activity, and continuous improvement. The maintenance performance measurement that will set a KPI extend beyond cost metrics such as OEE, NTBF, NTTR, PM compliance. And ultimately, the Industry 4.0 enable maintenance that involve digital technology such as LOT, AI, cloud, that can be enable the predictive maintenance on the spot and immediately respond. This requires a mature maintenance foundation before adoption. Maintenance maturity journey that involve progressions bring down maintenance towards preventive that existing SEB practice now, and slowly move to lean maintenance and TPM integrations, finally Industry 4.0. The application to SEB can strengthen ISO 9001 preventive maintenance, production continuity, and for the gaps which can be identified, that actually what is lack of is reliability KPIs and low operator involvement. So the recommendation, the strategy for SEB is need to establish reliability KPIs such as OEE, NTPF, and TTR, PM compliance before digitalization. So as a closing message, lean maintenance provides a strategy bridge between SEB current preventive maintenance system and future TPM and Industry 4.0 enable maintenance. I will end my chapter here, and subsequent chapter 3 will be presented by my group member Bernard for the data collection. Thank you.
I am Bernard Chong and I will be presenting Chapter 3 Company Overview and Data Collection for this presentation. Seremban Engineering Berhad, or known as SEB, is a Malaysian engineering and fabrication company listed on Bursa Malaysia. This company provides engineering, fabrication, construction, installation and maintenance service mainly for the industrial customers such as oil and gas and petrochemical industry. Their operation follow a complete project life cycle from tendering, engineering, fabrication, and installation to maintenance. This makes equipment reliability extremely important because any downtime can directly affect their project delivery speed. For the financial and operational overview for SEB, the financial data show that SEB achieved higher revenue in year 2024. Both revenue and profitability declined sharply in 2025. Operationally, every department has quality objective under ISO 9001, which including production, engineering, QA/QC department, and maintenance. However, this objective mainly focus on delivery, quality, and cost. Reliability indicators such as overall equipment effectiveness, mean time between failure, and mean time to repair are not being monitored for the equipment. As for the SEB current maintenance practice, SEB already have a good maintenance foundation, which is preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is implemented under the ISO 9001 quality management system, and the company has also received recognition from the Malaysia Productivity Corporation for its 5S implementation. However, maintenance performance is measured mainly by maintenance expenditure. Reliability indicators such as OEE, MTBF, and MTTR are absent. Therefore, maintenance decisions remain cost-oriented rather than the performance-oriented for SEB. Based on all other overview that presented just now, the gap analysis will compare SEB current maintenance practice with lean maintenance best practice. SEB already possesses a solid maintenance foundation through ISO 9001, preventive maintenance, and 5S. Therefore, a complete transformation is unnecessary. Instead, SEB should progressively introduce total productive maintenance, reliability-based KPI, computerized maintenance management system, and eventually predictive maintenance technology. This form the basis and technical and financial analysis presented in Chapter 4. I will pass my part to my friend.
Hi everyone, I'm Auni Nadia and I will present chapter 4, which is the technical and financial analysis. First, let's look at the strategy rationale, which is Seremban Engineering Berhad experienced a significant decline in revenue in FY 2025. This is increased pressure on the company to reduce operating costs while maintaining productivity. Therefore, we propose implementing lean maintenance to improve equipment reliability, reduce downtime, and also support the long-term financial performance. So next, for the 8 maintenance waste or MODA, the main waste include the breakdowns, waiting time, unnecessary movement, excess inventory, over maintenance defect, over processing, and underutilized employee skill. So by implementing these ways, the company can improve maintenance efficiency, reduce costs, and increase overall productivity. Okay, we move for the 5 workplace regimen, this is the cert that Seremban Engineering Berhad got. This is for the strategy value to lean, validated framework, shop floor discipline, and also the standardization. Okay, moving on the total productive maintenance or TPM framework. The TPM encourage everyone to participate in equipment maintenance, not only the maintenance department. It includes autonomous maintenance by operators, plant maintenance, quality maintenance, and also continuous training. This helps to reduce machine failures and improve the equipment performance. So this is the next strategy is Industry 4.0 predictive maintenance, that's Seremban Engineering. By using the IoT sensor, edge gateway, and cloud based on the monitoring, machine condition can be monitored in real time. This allows maintenance to be carried out before equipment fails, reducing unplanned downtime and improving the maintenance planning. So this is what we can see the each stage, gateway stage, and cloud stage. So finally, the financial impact implementing lean maintenance is expected to reduce the maintenance costs, minimize production losses caused by the equipment failures, improve the equipment availability, and increase the operational efficiency. Although there is initial investment, the long-term financial benefit and improve the competitive make it a worthwhile strategy. So this is the lean initiative and operational benefit, also the financial impact. In the conclusion on combining the lean maintenance, TPM and Industry 4.0 technologies can help SEB achieve better operational performance and stronger financial sustainability. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Siti Ashrayu. I will be presenting for the chapter 5, which is the discussion. Moving on to the implementation roadmap. This roadmap outlines how lean maintenance can be introduced in a structured and practical way over a 24-month period. The implementation is divided into 3 phases. The first phase focuses on the building a strong foundation by introducing 5S practice, preventive maintenance, and employee training. Next, the second phase expands the maintenance strategy by implementing the Total Productive Maintenance or TPM together with Computerized Maintenance Management System known as MMS. Finally, the third phase integrates predictive maintenance and industrial Internet of Things technologies to support data-driven maintenance decision and continuous improvement. So this phase approach helps the company minimize the disruption while ensuring employees can gradually adapt to the new maintenance culture. Successful implementation of lean maintenance depends on the involvement of all stakeholders. The key stakeholders include top management, maintenance personnel, production operators, supplier, customer, and shareholder. Each stakeholder has different expectations. For example, management focus on cost reduction and profit. Maintenance teams prioritize equipment reliability, while the customers expect high product quality and timely delivery. Therefore, maintaining effective communication and collaboration among these groups is essential to ensure that lean maintenance initiatives achieve their intended objective. This slide presents the stakeholder analysis using Mendelow's Powers Interest Matrix. Stakeholders with high power and high interest, such as top management, should be managed closely because they influence strategic decision and resource allocation. Stakeholders with high power but lower interest should be kept satisfied through regular updates. Meanwhile, employees and maintenance teams who have high interest but relatively lower decision-making power should be kept informed and actively engaged because they are responsible for executing the maintenance activities. So this analysis helps the organization allocate communication effort effectively and improve stakeholder support throughout the implementation process. Finally, stakeholder prioritization allows the organization to focus its resources on the most influential groups. Top management is considered the highest priority because their commitment determines funding, strategic direction, and organizational support. Maintenance and production personnel are the next priority since they directly implement the lean maintenance practice. Suppliers also play an important role by ensuring timely delivery of quality spare parts, while customer and shareholder benefits indirectly through improved operational performance and the financial result. Overall, effective stakeholder prioritization increases the likelihood of successful lean maintenance implementation and support long-term organizational sustainability. So, in conclusion, a structured implementation roadmap combined with effective stakeholder engagement provides a strong foundation for successful implementation, lean maintenance, and achieving sustainable operational and financial performance. That's all for Chapter 5 from me. Thank you.
I will now present Chapter 6, the conclusion and recommendation. This chapter summarizes our key findings and provides several recommendations to help SEB strengthen its operational and financial performance through lean maintenance. Based on our analysis, SEB operates in a project-based engineering and fabrication industry where its financial performance has fluctuated between 2023 and 2025. Although the company maintains stable equity, profitability has declined due to increasing costs and changing market conditions. Our study also found the SEB mainly focuses on preventive maintenance and maintenance cost control. However, there is an opportunity to further improve equipment reliability and operational efficiency by adopting lean maintenance principle. Recommendation based on these findings, we recommended 5 key improvements. First, diversity into new markets and industry to reduce revenue volatility. Second, continue improving operational excellence through lean principles and continuous improvement. Third, invest in employee training and leadership development to strengthen workforce capability. Fourth, gradually adopt digital technologies such as IoT and predictive maintenance to improve maintenance effectiveness. Finally, strengthen stakeholder engagement through clear communication and collaboration. In conclusion, lean maintenance is not only a maintenance strategy but also a business strategy. By reducing waste, improving equipment reliability, and supporting continuous improvement, SEB can enhance its operational efficiency, financial performance, and long-term competitiveness. This concludes our presentation. Thank you to Dr. Ikmal and to my fellow teammates.